This is Redfeather from Grep Haxs. In this video, we will be showing you how to make a quad screen video using the Kdenlive video editor. If you have watched my prior video, Kdenlive how to split screen, you would have noticed an issue that occurred while adding the third video. In that particular video, I followed the instructions to the T, as I could decipher them. And the instructions called for creating a color clip in Kdenlive. I did not use the color clip in this video, as I will explain shortly. The good news is I have found the workaround, or maybe you could quite say the proper build for quad screen in Kdenlive. Open Kdenlive, bring in only 2 of the videos you would like to use in your quad screen video. Drag them to the Kdenlive timeline, placing one on top of the other. Do any necessary editing like audio removal and so on if needed. Trim the videos to be matching sizes. Click on the effects list in the search bar, type pan and zoom. Drag the pan and zoom and drop it into one of the videos on the timeline of Kdenlive. Now, in the video monitor, grab a corner of the video, shrinking it down. Click on the next video, then in the effects list, again, grab the pan and zoom, placing it in the other video. In the video monitor, shrink this video down, looking at the size. The project at this point, the object at this point is imagining 2 more videos that will be placed in later in the video, so readjust as needed. Also notice the video you can see under the 2 videos, which I am supposing this is what the color clip was supposed to cover up. But instead, we would just use a composite transition. Click on the transition list, scroll down to composite, drag it to the 2 videos, placing it between the 2 videos. Drag it to the full length of the videos. Click off the videos for the settings to set. View the monitor to make any further adjustments if needed. Now it is time to render this part of the project. Once the render is finished, close Kdenlive and reopen in a new session. And bring in your next 2 videos to be used in your quad screen video project. The procedure for these 2 videos are the same as the first. Drag them to the Kdenlive timeline, placing one on top of the other. Do any necessary editing, and trim to the proper size. Note the video monitor 1631 in length. The first videos were the same. Click on the effects list, dragging in both the pan and zooms, one for each video. Resizing the videos to the same right side, keeping in mind size. Then click on the transition list and drag in your composite. Place it in between the two videos and resize as needed. Once everything looks good, it is time to render this part of the project. Once this is done rendering in Kdenlive, close Kdenlive and reopen, starting in a new session. Then bring in your two rendered parts of the quad screen project. It is important to know what two videos you would like to appear on the right. At this point, you will only be able to move the top video in retain visual, so drag both videos to the timeline, placing one on top of the other. Click on the effects list. In the search bar, type in pan and zoom and drop it in the top video. The only reason for the pan and zoom is to move the videos to the right and then render. The rest of this video is my rendered project. I hope you have enjoyed this video and found it helpful in some manner. And if so, then why not give this video a like? And while you're at it, why not become a subscriber? If you would like to read some interesting articles, then by all means, come on by our website at http://grephaxs.com. The intro and extro of this video has been provided by none other than Alex Abayu1 from his YouTube channel. Thank you in advance. I am out.